Hello friends, we are starting our organized self-employment ministry budget 28th session. Organized self-employment ministry 28th session. Our main aim is to make organized self-employment ministry and life and move with it with time immemorial documents. If everything is favorable, everyone understand from 31st August 1946. Otherwise, with organized self-employment ministry and budget, because it is giving self-employment government job in own work, and we can do double work in the private sector. In that, we have made 30,000 per month above earner and 30,000 per month below earner. 70% of the people are 30,000 per month above earner, and 30,000 per month above earner are 30% of the total population earner, and 70% are 30,000 per month below earner. We have also made organized self-employment ministry interconnection promotion slab of 30,000 below earner to 30,000 above earner. We have to organize with right of pension, fundamental right of pension after 14 years for self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, showing to certain ministry office, fundamental right, direct link to ministry and budget, preamble wise organized employed, preamble wise organized self-employed. We should have 3 budget system: annual budget 108 ministry, railway budget 1 ministry, and organized self-employment ministry. If everyone consent, we will go in 31st August 1947, and from there we will reach to this. I am Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar. Pin code 847407. Mobile number 6397360717. We are working on the organized self-employment ministry and budget together. This is organized self-employment ministry 28th session. In order to understand virtually, then document wise, and grasp Amit Kumar Jhaism, Amiteshwarism, which has been written in 2001 31st August to 11 September in singular form, and in 6 unbound Hindu document form in 16 February to 26 February. Since then, I am moving on the path of document, and by that I have understood that we can all be self-employed with truth and non-violence unity by respecting each other and believing in unity. For this, I have written this truth only terms. This book is 218 pages, which I am selling in the market, which teaches us right of pension, fundamental right of pension after 14 years for self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, showing to certain ministry office, fundamental right, direct link to ministry and budget. We should be preamble wise organized employed, preamble wise organized self-employed. This book is in 6 unbound document form. I have taken the help of the fantasy to understand this. Let us come to Shardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717, from where you can join organized self-employed ministry and budget and purchase this book, Truth Only Terms. In room number 1 to 6, first room is of Shiv Puran, all Shiv Shakti Mandir document. It is 175 crore, already present in India. Second room is of Vishnu, Lakshmi, Ram, Sita and Krishna Radha. That is Vishnu Puran, Ramayana and Bhagavad Gita. It is 175 crore. Because I have tried to put in socialist patterns so that a organized documented path can be developed. Third room is of ISBN, Brahma Saraswati, the Hindu writers who has written all types of books, commencing from the Nobel Prize winner 12 Jyotir book, and ISBN certificate. My Truth Only Terms ISBN certificate is number is 8190186026. Copyright number is 954/03/COL. And other certificate guaranteed by you, all consent we will take, and 12 Jyotir we will make certificate, and on that we will see from the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Then fourth is the Adi Shakti Jagdamba, 175 crore Adi Shakti Jagdamba Mandir we have, and I am taking 12 Jyotir Mandir of Adi Shakti Jagdamba. Then each united god and goddess, Hindu Varshkrit, Mithila Varshkrit and all the Jyotir Varshkrit all over India, north, south, east, west, central India. 12 Jyotir Varshkrit we are taking, and then Constitution of India, because 20 into 5 means 100%. But we want that documented government system in democratic way through session come, so that the money problem never come while doing work. And this can be all possible when Constitution and Parliament are by bureaucracy, army, police, secretariats, and 16.66 into 6 is equal to 100%. We make 6 family unborn. Fifth family is infinite. In Varshkrit, infinite families are there, but rest 4 family is fixed. In Adi Shakti Jagdamba also infinite family are there, but 4 family is fixed, because from the marriage angle it is caught that we are belonging from which family, and on that basis we have to see from the Rashtrapati Bhavan I and from the Governor House I. Then we have to see from the 750 brothers and sister MPs Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha who are working with us day and night, and 4,500 MLAs, MLCs who are working with us and developing us day and night. With that, from the room 1 to 6 we can easily see that professionalism is already by us from the ancient time. One I is from, we have to see from the Rashtrapati Bhavan I and from the Governor House I for making it nationalized concept, so that everyone can come in that document. And one professionalism of devoted politician, one professionalism I is of the devoted industrialist, one professionalism I is of devoted educationist, teacher, professor, lecturer, legal lawyers, scientist, Hindu scientist. One professionalism I of devoted woman who is bringing us good culture in our family, and one professionalism is of truth and non-violence who teaches us truth and non-violence and move truthful, peaceful, respecting each other, believing unity path. And one is of the government who has been always devoted to us, safeguarding us with giving beautiful prime ministers and beautiful MP in the MLAs, despite odds. So on that basis, I am also putting 750 Hindu multinational corporation and 4,500 Hindu multinational corporation industries who are working day and night all over India, who are working with 30,000 above per month earner giver in one room, because we are all united by the point 31st August 1946 on the document method. Because by democracy we have already got open mouth. By this we will document ourselves and we become self-employed and linked by our seniors, and automatically if work will be there, we will be working wherever we want. And everyday briefing and per month fiscal salary will come by the document method. Then I am also attaching 750 centrally Hindu universities and Hindu scientists, legal lawyers, writers, and Hindu 4,500 writers, lawyers, educationists, teachers, professors, and lecturers in that. Just we have to imagine so that we can understand the concept of organized self-employment ministry and budget, which will give self-employment government job in our work, which we will give validity, and the constitution will give a stamp of 6 family. Then we have to see, then also I am attaching 750 centrally Hindu women who have been working on the path of Sarojini Naidu, Indira Gandhi, Vijay Lakshmi Pandit, Pratibha Patil, Mother Teresa, Annie Besant, all have been working for the Hindus. Sushma Swaraj, Sonia Gandhi, all have been working on the path of that. By the document, Rabri Devi, all have been working on the path of that. Mayawati, all have been working on the path of that document system. And 4,500 women state-wise all over India working on the path of that. Then I am attaching the truth and non-violence. We all who are working 30,000 per month above and 30,000 per month below all over India, by attaching the path of promotion of the good worker 30,000 above to the 30,000 below to the 30,000 above, so that all professional people are attached, so that the Bhaya and media move up and down, so that no problem come in the system, because it is organized system. So it is not to worry, because fiscal credit salary is being taken by each and every one, and fiscal credit salary will change into pension at 18, 32, 46, 58 year. This is organized self-employment ministry 28th session. With that, I am attaching the Constitution of India from 31st August 1946, when Clement Attlee, with the consent of the, by defeating the Winston Churchill, entered into the British Parliament, and from there the act is passed that India will get independence. Interim government is formed on 2nd September 1946 till 1947. These 6 unborn raised with truth and violence, we have been working without documented, on the belief that we are all having equality and liberty and fraternity. It is there. But one thing we are lacking is employment, the regular employment system by organized self-employment ministry, which I am focusing in my lecture all this session from first and in the book, in the drama, so that organized self-employment ministry can adjust in this system. Now for understanding, I am putting 120 crore Aadhaar card into socialist pattern of society on the document system. Because in our heart, that truth and non-violence, unity, respect is lying in all our heart. From 31st August 1946, the same motherland love and respect. So 2020 Aadhaar card, 20 crore Aadhaar card to the each room. We have to see from the Rashtrapati Bhavan and from the Governor House, because when we will sign, automatically the document will come and automatically the money will start. And then our PAN card, passport, photo election identity card, our employment, and 12 dhoti and Banarasi sari in each Rashtrapati Bhavan, I and this, so that we are the sons and daughters of this. And on that basis, from the Rashtrapati Bhavan we are seeing this. We are scattered all over India, but from this when we are seeing from any corner, Sardapur, Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lonar Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, room number 126, mobile number 639736071. Room number 1 to room, the Shiv Shakti Mandir, the Trishul and the Vermilion mark, the Vishnu Lakshmi Mandir, the Ram, Sita and Krishna, the Chakra and the Vermilion mark. The ISBN heroes, the different lecturers and professors, the IIT, the IMM, all lecturers and professor books, which has been devoting us to the coming to the higher society of 30,000 per month above. And we all are working with them. The scientist book, the Green Revolution book, the present vaccination books by which the vaccination has been created by India, COVID. So these types of book, ISBN, and on that basis I am trying to move this so that we all are getting documented, and automatically with the Finance Commission it is coming self-earning, self-work, SOAR, Finance Commission of India. What we are doing, the 6 unborn family is giving blessing us. Only thing is that we are attaching by the direct ministry and direct budget connection. The work we are doing from home by putting our table or sitting on our bed or on our small table and chair, and working and making the center organized self-employment ministry, and according to qualification, by self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credits showing, we are becoming organized self-employed ministry and budget, self-employment government servant. And 3 budget is coming: annual budget 108 ministry, railway budget 1 ministry, and organized self-employment ministry and budget from 31st August 1946, and from where this validity will come in our parliament and our Vidhan Sabha. And we will start with our senior brothers. And 6 family already I have shown to you. Devotedly they are working and they are creating the work. Some little bit is moving here and there, which is being organized by the document. It looks so big, but it is not so big. In reality, it is there. We have to see from the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Again, we have to see from the Rashtrapati Bhavan I this fiscal credit table. This fiscal credit table which I have made for the organized self-employment ministry and budget, self-employment government servant. The work which we are doing, it will get validity by income work educational certificate. We have to see from the Rashtrapati Bhavan I and from the Governor's I. 6. We also have to see from the Prime Minister office, because we have to understand by one signature of the Parliament and the Chief Minister and supporting of 750 brothers and sisters of the Parliament and 4,500 brothers and sisters who are day and night working. This organized self-employment ministry budget system is developing a documented path by which we all are getting self-employed government servant. My principle is that if 10 rupees is being assured by the self-employment government and educational certificate capital value organized self-employment ministry's budget is making its working hand, automatically we can do Monday fast, Tuesday fast, Thursday fast, Friday fast, Saturday fast and Sunday fast, Ramnavami, Krishnastami, Durga Puja, Lakshmi Puja, Saraswati, all, and we can save the money, and on the basis of this we can do this. We can do this. So on that basis we are able to move this organized self-employment ministry and budget, because organized self-employment ministry budget is the way of this, and we will be able to make this path. We have to see this fiscal credit table from the Rashtrapati Bhavan I and from the Governor House I and from the 750 MPs I and from the 4,500 MLAs who are working day and night. And by this fiscal credit table, by the, as we have railway fare, our signature will give us self-employed, and we have to understand the 6 rays. The 6 rays which has been working day and night. The validity is already on our India level. The Shiv Shakti Mandir, the Vishnu Lakshmi Mandir, the Brahma Saraswati Mandir, the Adi Shakti Jagadamba Mandir, the each United God and Goddess Mandir and the government Mandir. We have to sign by becoming document. We have to see from the Prime Minister office also, so that truth and non-violence, and from the Chief Minister office by one signature, by the consent of all the MPs and MLAs, we are becoming self-employed government servant, and automatically one center place where we are putting our chair and table, it will be given validated that we all are self-employed. Educational certificate is capital value, and on that basis we can increase our level of the grade A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H according to that. And also our working capacity, it is going up till 1 to infinite. 78 years we will contribute. From 0 to 18, if any eventuality is coming to be of all of us, all over India, 29 states, 6 union territories, at center also, and 18 to 58 for all we workers, whether we are women or we are men, we will all work in that. We have to see from the Prime Minister office this fiscal credit table, and from the Chief Minister's office. Automatically we will be attached by this, by getting trust and faith in Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717, room number 126. So that by the document method, 1 point we have to take from the flashback angle I, 31st August 1946. We are already moving on the documented part. By this 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan I, we all become 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan I sons and daughter. 1175 crore mandirs are there. For making it small form, 12 into 6, 72 form. By signing in front of the own house and automatically depositing it to the Sardapur Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, trust and faith. We can immediately get trust with each other and to our MPs and MLAs who have been working. These documents automatically will make room number 1 to 6. We are the sons and daughters. Aarti uniform way, 7 a.m. as we are the son of the Kailash Dham, Vaikuntha Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagdamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham and government Dham. What work we are doing? If we are organized, if we are not liking, then also we can ignore. But those who are liking, for them it is self-employment government job, optional work is there. At the house, Shardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar. We have to understand the concept by, not by like that only. Because we have already made 135 crore Aadhaar card. We have already made photo election ID card in 90 crore above. We have already made 60 crore passport. But in this system way, that system is organized self-employment ministry and budget. Because things are same. We have to see the raise from the Dr. Raman incidence ray which gave him Nobel Prize, from the Ramanujan mathematics Nobel Prize, so that the each calculation is fixed 16.66 into 6, and the rays are coming from the Kailash Dham, Vaikuntha Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagdamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham and government Dham from 31st August 1946. The Mandir documents, the shadow Mandir documents, which all representatives are living here only. Our representative parliament and the Vidhan Sabha are living here only. We are living locally only. I am living in Shardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407. Mobile number 6397360717. Room number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have to see from the Rashtrapati Bhavan and from the Governor House, because the money we will be validating our income, work, educational certificate, and the automatically if less worker is required, this money will always control. Because my concept is that if 10 rupees assurance as self-employment government job is coming, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, to 130 crore. In this we will cut those who are above 30,000 earner, those who are educated, who are moving towards, if they are able to settle, it is okay. Then if we are left, all are coming in this Amitvad. And if everyone is agreeing, from 31st August 1946, from where the document is coming from the British Parliament, from where we started our journey of 299 Hindu members who tried to give us this beautiful constitution, and 15th August 1947 and 26 January 1950. This document date plus what I have tried to put 16 February to 26 February, 6 unborn rays, from where our family is belonging, because our family members are married everywhere in India, Calcutta, Delhi, Madras, Mumbai, all over India. We are working all over India. One center is our Prime Minister, which has been already made by Jawaharlal Nehru. And one center I am trying to make from the Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407. Mobile number 6397360717. By the document method, from home only, wherever we are living, automatically we are connected to the organized self-employment ministry office. And 24/7 we can go to that office by our chair and table, and we will sit there according to the degree. 18 years up till will sit at 18 years, 18 to 30 years, 32 years will sit at that 18 to 32 years, and 32 years to 46 year will sit at 32 to 46 year, because all age people has the common type of problem, and 46 to 58 year will be sitting at that. Already this 750 centrally family, from the devoted politician, from the devoted industries, from the devoted educationists, scientists, writers, are documented from their home. They don't have to do anything, only signing and the 750 members is already getting. You don't have to come, that means from there, and all the women 750 and 4500 centrally and state wise, and all the truth and non-violence, and all the government, both are becoming, because vice versa, we all are becoming the brothers and sisters. One is organized employed and one is organized self-employed. Organized employed is getting salary from the finance commission, and organized self-employed is getting from the self-earning self-work sower per month fiscal credit finance commission. 30,000 above and 30,000 below demarcation line I have made, plus to control administration organized self-employment court martial range has been made. The rays are reaching directly to the Kailasdham, Vaikundham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, and each united God and Goddess Dham and government Dham. And by that we are signing it in front of the documents in Sardapur, Lonar, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407. Mobile number 63973601717. From the raise, documents we are signing, and salary fiscal credit we are getting. We are sitting in office, we can self-transfer to the Calcutta, Delhi, Mumbai, Madras, everywhere. All industrial brothers, all lawyers, all educationists, writers, those who are rising, all women, all truth, all government are coming and going at the center according to the already we have made in the constant manner by the document part of Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lonar Road, Darbhanga. We have to understand truth only terms. And for remembering 31st August to 31st August to 11th September and 16 February to 26 February, we are making two pair of Shiv Parvati, Vishnu, Lakshmi, Ram, Sita, Krishna, Radha, Brahma, Saraswati, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba, and a non-widow husband, each united God and Goddess and government pair. In fifth one, infinite God and Goddess are there. We are making according to our by the soil, the ideal, worshipping, and then emerging our according to the Varshkrit culture which we are making unitedly. Work already we are doing. Politician, industrialist, educationist, womanhood workers, femininhood workers, truth non-violence workers, and government workers, all are working, and on that basis we are able to make a joint venture by the self-earning. And organized self-employment ministry is also giving the path that as we will work honestly in the ministry, automatically our senior members who are working in 30,000 per month above, they will guide also and they will promote us, and we will by the departmental exam we can reach to above 30,000 per month earner in the gallery of finance commission. And in vice versa, we all are safe also, because centrally the same thing is there. We are signing in front of the 750 MP under their guidance. Those who are not following, we can counsel them. If we think that the self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit is required in their life, because regular income is required, because regular income is the path of development. We have to see from the Rashtrapati Bhavan eye and from the Governor House eye. We have to see from the Prime Minister eye and from the Chief Minister eye, from the truth and non-violence eye, by the document method. If we are signing an affidavit, we are giving, and we are working in organized self-employment, where we will run. Those who are runner, they can be easily caught, because all are local, all are working by one organized self-employment document and fiscal understanding that this is our salary, because our self-employment earning is irregular. Government is giving validity that this much earning is your, like government by the organized self-employment concept and trust, and illiterate by the government validity is earning 4,950. It can be 49 rupees also, but remember 130 crore illiterate we are imagining, and on that basis we can easily sell that yes, this is earning, and on that basis pension, gratuity, provident fund, and pension will be set at 18, 32, 46, 58 years. Similarly, signature note, I am putting 5,625. It can be 56 rupees also, and if we are fixing it 130 crore if we are imagining. It is not so. Only 22% are below poverty line. Then also January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, 56 rupees is also coming. Then also it is sufficient. And information, organized self-employment ministry signature known people were sitting, they can sit there. And we all are organized because organized self-employed manager and all are linked. Private sector is also linked here by the document method, because by the court martial connection the law is in the hand of the Parliament of India and the Prime Minister and the Chief Minister and 4,500 MPs and MLA. One, we cannot move. Then fifth pass, I have tried to put 75,000. It can be 75 also, but 12-month guaranteed it will change the outlook of our nation, because we are giving validity on self-income, self-work, and they can sit in the 5th class pass. A 0 to 18 Africa and 18 to 58 all. Then 8th pass I have put 9,375. It can be 93 rupees also. It depends on the inflation, deflation, repression and the boom period. It is in the hand of the organized self-employment ministry, finance minister, and in the hand of the prime minister and chief minister according to the vote bank, because we are becoming document by the vote bank of Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddam, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham and government Dham. By the Rashtrapati Bhavan, we are putting the document and we are giving validities as a sons and daughter. 12 Jyotin Mandir 72, and then we started collecting the 1175 crore Mandir documents by announcing publicly, by being validity. Automatically we are the 6th and 5th family. The Varshkit family is infinite families of Hindus who is living everywhere and trying to prepare for more development. We are validating it by self-funding, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit. All work is validated and fiscal credit is coming. If we are 10th pass, 11,250 per month fiscal credit salary I have fixed, but it can be 112 also according to the understanding, and automatically it will be controlled anywhere in India on the Prime Minister office and Chief Minister office by this fiscal credit table. By this fiscal credit table we can easily judge, as we are judging the railway fare. Immediately on this level we can immediately judge this is the fiscal credit salary rate in India. And private sector and public sector both can work together, because document is there. By the document system we can generate the faith and trust. Little bit document system and automatically we can immediately check, as we are checking Aadhaar card and PAN card. Then 12th pass I have tried to put 13,125, and it can be 131 also. Then also is no harm, because 12-month regular income and self-employment and sitting in organized self-employment ministry, one chair and one table we are putting of our home only, and sitting in organized self-employment ministry, automatically validity has been given, we are becoming self-employed. Then post graduation 16,875. By this we can put 168 also. Then also it is good, because self-employment government 6 family stamp on our work automatically boom us. The stamp of Trishul vermilion mark, the stamp of Chakra vermilion mark, the stamp of Kamandal vermilion mark, the stamp of Trinetra vermilion mark, the stamp of Varshkit book vermilion mark, the stamp of our government vermilion mark automatically boost up, and we will move in the organized way by the documented, far from the blessing of 750 brothers and 4,500 MLA and MPs. A documented part coming from 31st August 1946, from where we have generated our organized constitution. And forever from 0 to 18, 18 to 58 years, we are in uniform working style. Those who are interested, automatically they will work. We will take double salary, one from the private sector when we are working with them, and when we are living in our village or home anywhere, we can plan according to that. For graduation I have put 15,000 rupees. It can be 150 rupees also. Then also it is good, because it can be increase and decrease. And for post graduation I have put 16,870, and for MPhil I have put 18,750, and for DLED I have put 20,625, and for PhD I have put 22,500. Means according to that we can increase and decrease. We have to come together, we have to understand organized self-employment ministry 28th session. We have to see we have to unite and we have to respect each other by the document method, and that document automatically, that the parliament trust and faith is already there. We have to generate trust in Amit Kumar Jha and Sardapur Lonar Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847.07, mobile number 6397360717, in room number 1 to C, and the raise, and by that the document will be signature. We will be from the Rashtrapati Bhavan, we will be from the Rashtrapati Bhavan, I am from the Governor House. Hi, Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united God and Buddhism and government dham in democratic way. We will be transferred by the Prime Minister and Chief Minister, and fiscal credit salary will boost up. Thank you.